Where are you?
At our usual.
Oh, you meant our other usual. Maybe we should just reschedule.
Or let's find a new usual.
Urban Cruiser. Be bold, be curious.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It is still pre-season. Teams are signing, preparing for the next upcoming season, which will be 2 weeks from now. Also at the World Cup, we are starting to see the real World Cup now, where many of the teams have been eliminated. I think now there are maybe 8 teams left, and after this weekend, it will be only 4 teams left at the FIFA World Cup. Myself and Utso Vilarazi, we just discussed Orlando Pirates in another video. If you want to check that out, we spoke about the signings and everyone else that's happening at Orlando Pirates. In this video, myself and Junior will discuss Kaizer Chiefs. Only and specifically Kaizer Chiefs. We'll start with the coach. We were at the World Cup, of course, in Mexico, so we never really got the chance to talk about the coach himself, Fernando de la Cruz. What can we expect from him? He's never been really in South African football, so we don't know much about him. We'll talk about the signings, some of the players that have been signed by Kaizer Chiefs, Ronaldo Lena, Thabo Moloisane, and we'll talk about some of the players that have left. And before we close the video, we have to talk about who needs to be signed by Kaizer Chiefs. So we'll focus solely on Kaizer Chiefs. So strap on, and hopefully you will enjoy the episode. Junior, thank you very much for joining us, sir. How are you? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just, sir.
ngibulise utho wherever is
Mr. So-and-so? Yes, sir.
ngibulise uShane ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting on one, try to fix South African football.
Interesting question on the coach. When you saw me and you, we don't know that man. South Africans, we don't know that man. He's never coached in South Africa, so we don't know him. And I think we were in Mexico when Chiefs announced him, actually. When you saw him being announced by Chiefs, Fernando Cruz, did it give you any confidence? Were you worried Uguti, they're still doing the same thing that they were doing before, given that, of course, we would have been expecting them to sign Abo Pitso Mosimane, Abo Rulani, high-profile coaches. What was your immediate reaction when you saw that coach being signed?
Yeah, first and for all, coach, I don't know him much. Angmazi coach.
Sure.
I understand he was there when Nabi was there. If not mistaken, not as a head coach. I'm not too sure when the rumor, if he once came at Chiefs and then he left.
Sure.
If I can't judge the coach, yes, ngamazi. But give me disappointing. Mangiti disappointing. You sign up on the before signing the coach. Game they're still continuing or whatever that they've been doing. Mauzo signing before the coach. Truly speaking, Gulega, I'll be honest to you. Being expected to Pizzo was going to be appointed 3 months before. Come and assess the team. No man about to take it over. Pizzo Msimang. For now, you need a coach who's knowledgeable, also arrogant in whatever he's doing. Mundo arrogant in Dazi, who understands South African football, South African players, who knows their culture and identity. Now, I was so disappointed. I know I'm going to coach. He's a new guy, came at Kaizer Chiefs, but he came to Kaizer Chiefs that is disjointed just for me. They never competed for any trophy. That's for me in Kulmanga last season. Pirates and Sundowns, I think always he that party. And is Pirates there to dig deep now, and Batate Minyaganyana to come and compete with Mamle Sundowns because Baboni they will stay behind. Kaizer Chiefs being expected in Pizzo. And that's why I'm saying Pizzo now is more leading the race in terms of Bafana coach because he understands those players in South African football. And Pizzo Felix Sundowns signing so many superstars, bringing coaches, Neskens, Michel, Rochester Skov. The list goes on. Trotmulo, they never won anything, spending big bucks. Players come and go, high-profile players. He came there, Washington that dimension. He's a coach who was going to challenge Mamle Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. He's a coach who was going to make sure Kaizer Chiefs sign players who are going to compete at Bafana. Regular players. Now, bring this guy, Lo Cruz, give me, like in Sakubega or whatever that they've been doing. And I'm going to judge much from a coach. I'm going to judge if he's the bad coach or good coach. I don't know much of him. But Game, I suspect they're still continuing because.
So it gives you an idea of the direction because Babonela Bonabi, Babonela Bomule Fensegi, Coach Atazwane, Ernst Middendorp, it kind of gives you Guti, they're still on that path. Yoguti, they don't have the ambition to go back to their glory days.
Now PSL is starting soon. The coach haven't signed anyone. And my players that can compete. it's still same squad. Let's say Kaizer Chiefs. You can't release Umatlo or release this guy Mashiane, you release a couple of players, 1 or 2, and then you bring the goalkeeper with Kukuni, and then former Kukuni goalkeeper, and then you say you want to compete with Paris and Sundowns. Because the competition yabo, Kaizer Chiefs is those 2 teams. I know with the Betway Premiership, they need to still to compete with other teams, but they're going for a CAF, which is going to be more difficult for them. Now, Gunama Trophy that are there, about the top 8. Betway Premiership ngiyazi niye bana this thing ama-fans wabo and the management bana this thing ukuthi we want to compete and win, which is a liar for me. Angeke uziwine with those teams. Even the coaches that they were there, ngikhuluma ngoKhaz uBen nalo
Yes.
they said it now bakwazi ukukhipha ivar ukuthi we cannot compete ngala ma
Oh
players.
yeah, after leaving Kaizer Chiefs.
They were kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama they were lying to us. And masikhuluma ngathi siyagula were fighting to people. But the coach himself was officially head coach of Kaizer Chiefs, both of them co-coaches. They said Wenger is competing ngala ma players now. But the money team isakipte the same squad. You sign the goalkeeper. And now ngibone leyo nto sign Mlesane. Mlesane situation yakhe just ukuthi asikawelda ukuphendula ngecoach. For me ngisaqhubeka ngasame route. I mean the coach usayine bani since afikile. The league is starting now. He hasn't signed anyone. So coaches should do the same squad this start season. He needs to change the squad. Because even if you brought Pizzo or Rulani or high profile coach
They were still gonna need to clean up that squad.
I mean you can be so knowledgeable mawungana amathulusi, let's say ngi-electrician ungana amathulusi okusebenza angeke ngikwenzele igesi ngikuleke ikhanye the way ufuna ngakhona.
All right, nice one. Let's go then to the signings. We've already mentioned them, Ronald Lena. We also mentioned Thabo Moloisan. Let's rate them. Good signings for Chiefs. Moloisan is a good player, but does he have the surrounding to shine at Kaizer Chiefs?
Situation kaMlesane, I love Mlesane, one of the best defender, top. We are structure Sundowns M Tigers, I remember. Bengmangele mangenze research, comfortability, reading the game, hlakaniphe kakhulu yabo. Unfortunate not to play regular nakubafana bambizi. Noma ngaba kahlali regular kunabombokazi and stuff. But ukuthi abizwe regular player.
Sure.
Mhlawumbe ukudlala ku Stellenbosch nakimlimazile yabo. Mlesane situation akifana nalomjito uNjabulo Ngcobo Kaizer Chiefs. You come as the best you
Defender of the season at Swallows.
Yes, comfortable, ukwazi ukucala ibhola. Now bazocomplementana. Uyodlala nobani as the center back. No Mikel. The question is he going to complement you? Because Mikel, a high profile player according to Kaizer Chiefs. I'm sure bambhadala inyuke I can't sit on the bench. Uzodlala, we like it or not. Bangamfuni bekumele bamrelease. International player as well. So Mlesane situation yakhe, I feel sorry for him. Izofana niyakanjabulo Ngcobo. Uthola ukuthi become an ordinary player because of the surrounding. Abantu abacomplementa right wing back, left wing back, the center back ophera nayo. Goalkeeping department, yes, we improve with Peterson, true, but sengikhuluma nje with other players, defensive midfielders, ngiyazi ukuthi Mabuye did very well, but kule season ama teams wambonile phela. So difficult situation.
It's a good signing in terms of the individual player.
Yeah.
But maybe the surrounding is not good enough.
For me, quality player, loves the ball. A very good player, honestly, intelligent. And I've been preaching with the Chiefs, but made him sign a long ago. And then the coaching, I don't know this the Cruz guy, which the philosophy.
What kind of football, yeah?
That is going to play. Apply it, Kaizer Chiefs implement. So he's Sutana umfana. Because these coaches, you bring them, you sign these players, but two abakhulumi next. Now he come ufuna amabhola ashayelwe phambili. And then the guy ufuna this guy become a left wing back, a right center back, left center back. Now he's I understand. So good signing individual, but I'm not too sure about the identity, the philosophy of the coach, and also complementing Mama players who was complementing.
Do you rate the goalkeeper, Ronaldo Lena? You got a call up national team last year with Kukuni. He's now joined Kaizer Chiefs.
Mboni.
And also, do you think he would be? Because of course, Brendan Peterson is the current number 1. So would he be then the number 1, or was about number 2, Ronald Lena?
Yazi le nto yenziwe iChiefs mfethu. Njoba ngisho baqhubeka ngasame route mfethu. I mean the goalkeeper was at Bafana first cap before we went to World Cup.
Yeah.
Kunamaplan.
I think he made a couple of mistakes against Panama. I remember one of the games.
Bafana is similar pressure like Kaizer Chiefs. There's pressure almost no mangabe. I know it's a club level and international. You can't compare. Different players come in different environments, but the pressure at Bafana, I mean, I can tell you, it's almost the same as Kaizer Chiefs. kunama expectation. Wherever they play, it sounds as if they're playing home game. I'm support banama expectation. So I don't understand bringing that guy. He's not the best goalkeeper.
Do you expect him to be number one over Brendan Peterson?
We should be men's second choice because there's no difference between him and Brendan Peterson. Instead to Brendan, we improve it now. Joba ngisho deserve actually chance to go improved. Not wow now Brendan. Honestly, if ngoba noma ngabe yakubafana bengakaqala, but he deserve with actually chance hambe now.
Yeah, to be a third goalkeeper.
That goalkeeper ngisho kanjalo.
Yeah.
So he has improved. Compare Pound, there's no different match between him and this guy. Lobuya kusikhukhune. So ngiya understand that Joba ngisho he still bring the same average squad. So that guy there's no different because Mangalimalo Brendan, can you race with that guy than Sundowns or Orlando Pirates? I'm sure nobody was doubt. I understand. And fun with them next for me.
All right. Let's look at the potential exits. We'll talk about players who have left. In the last 24 hours, Bati Serino Bamshil, South Africa. They're going to Spain, the club. Serino Bamshil, South Africa. I think Thabo Cele is another question mark of players who could leave. Would that be a mistake? Serino, no Cele. Would that be a mistake? Because there's a rumor that those players have been left Abahambang and the club, we are Spain. Would that be a mistake to release them?
Ile nto ngitshela yona manje ukhama Pilat na situation yakhe Kaizer Chiefs. The reason Khama was sort of average at Kaizer Chiefs. Umthwalo busenhloko yakhe. A top class player simbonile against Magadlalo Sundowns. Pizzo took out the best of him. I'm told it position right from wing left forward. Wadlala number 10. Yabo Pizzo kunento bekayibo. Sometimes it go wide, yes. Scoring goals. Mara bekune compliment. Pesitao bomshishi.
Yeah, it was a quality squad.
You
Sundowns was a
understand?
quality squad.
So now Userino mfit came at Kaizer Chiefs umthwalo wonke bokuye. Give him number 10 jersey. Doesn't mean the guy njoba ngachivanga inteni which is a bad player. That guy, if bamtholele isquad ebe some complimenter. Ngiyakutshela that guy ibholelas. Compared to the squad that they've got, mina number 10 unjengalo abanayo. Bebanganayo number 10 because experienced player Userino mfit beka phethe itarete nzima Kaizer Chiefs but mangabe I think Chiefs bayenza peace with Serino. I think after first 6 months or one season. With this guy, based on my expectation, we came Masim as a free agent coming from Sundowns, winning trophies with Sundowns. He came also change yonke environment that I want, which is a problem. So Leonto Leo, I think Kim W Serino. Ukufika endaweni kube nama expectations and then ama player angenzi next to complement you. And because of Chiefs dala ngibona they want to release this player. Bekune build up feature. I mean,
Yeah, it wasn't playing. Last season, it wasn't playing.
bamfaka last 2 minutes. Sometimes uqala game this week, the following week umbona sepenchini akanamalanga. Nini la kunama expectations khona uSerino yambona uyangena assista 2 games awumboni. You understand? Psychologically izokulimaza.
So that's not surprising. We don't know, of course, yet if he's leaving, but there's a rumor that he might not go to Spain. So if he's not part of the preseason, and I think his contract has ended as well, would it shock you if Ucele angahamba naye?
Yeah, I mean,
Don't they need that kind of a midfielder?
I don't think I will be shocked ngoCele mfethu. uCele came to Kaizer Chiefs not much man. Bekunama expectation ngoCele ubuya kubo Durban. I know ukuthi now Stars of Africa uyile. He went to Durban KZN Academy, went overseas as well. He played under 23 ngimbonile kuma Olympic.
Yeah.
Bekunama expectation man, bengi-expect ukuthi umfana bhase makafika lapho. Njoba ngisho akusiwo wonke players ozodlala ku Chiefs. Abantu lento bayithatha ngathi we've been arrogant with that, akusiwo wonke umuntu ozodlala lapha ashine. So it doesn't mean mawushayinile kwamanye ama team under 23 under 20 uzochana Kaizer Chiefs. Lapha kunento eningi odila nazo, yabo. The history of jersey number. The brand history, club nje history ukuthi bebani like what type of players beba producer and kunama expectation week in and week out. They don't care ukuthi ukore 2 goals this week and into esha wonke ama player amaningi mawalapha. So Thabo was a average player, ordinary player for me joining Kaizer Chiefs. Midfield attacking ngibonile Chiefs ukore amagoal engakhi. How many assists he had? Ngiyazi ukuthi bangamniki chance but truly speaking noma
Would you work with his talent? Let's give you your coaching classes.
Yeah.
Would you work with that talent? Because Thabo ukunika le impression, because I'm also a coach and I love when I look at some players ukuthi okay kune limitation but I think I can help him get better. Would you get the best out of him wena? And what would you have done Mamfaka kule midfield? Because uMabuwe sekakhona. Mabuwe is already there and is fitting in like a glove last season with Chiefs. Would you not think that uCele is progressive? Maybe work on things ejimini ukuthi work on this, help us get assists, take shots at goal.
Mina ngithatha isikhathi Nkululeko, unfortunately game is a game of opinion. Ucele noma ngabe bengikhipha the best of him. I don't think can be a midfield don't dictator Kaizer Chiefs midfield. It doesn't have a strong character. Into engibone ngayo kana strong character. And a lot of players, baningi ama player talented ungabona ukuthi okay lo una idea
Yeah, the football is there.
yeah, but the character. Lapayana, when you look at Mbogazi in terms separator the boy.
Yeah.
Shang strong character. And I'm a player so last team fit. I think lento ngizoyikhuluma babone ngathi ngiyadlala abantu. And most of the players even off the field babane so arrogance. I think uNkulunkulu bazale ngalo ndlela. They are born to be like that way. Mabangashintsha ngeke baphinde babe.
Can you see the talent Kucele though? Because I think to be fair to him, I think yonke South Africa mbone ukuthi khona into ayiphethe.
Yeah.
Can you also see that?
Unali talent because it's from development anyway. Yamnceda the background development. But you can play njoba ngisho unali talent but not for Chiefs ukuthi I dictate. Maybe
Sure.
Arrows can be a best player. Arrows la less pressure as I'm saying talent unalo, make no mistake with that akusiplay eli ndangala.
Yeah, we're not talking about a bad player. Not talking about a bad player.
But to dictate Kaizer Chiefs mfethu you need umuntu njengabo Thabo.
Sure.
Abumoki ipoint lami lapho a reference. You need a player ongasabanga bheka uReli now many years. If you dictate midfield Orlando Pirates and then adlala number 10 phela uqale can play number 10 like push bana kumdlalisa la bampushe nyazi attacking but if we are attacking it means that number 10 ungaya. So can he do exactly what Mfukeng is doing? Question ile ukuthi abantu mele bayiphendule. So italent unalo. But njoba ngisho if italent unalo there's certain players for certain teams. Point lami leader. So mina mawungibuza kanje into ashota ngayo the arrogance. Angithi arrogance awudelela. Like ubona isidingo uzazi. Wahamba wazi ukuthi mina I know this thing. And when you go to the field and show up hayi ukuthi uzazi nje yabo.
Yeah, you must do it on the
because
field.
into shama player baya na ku Kaizer Chiefs recent ongabonile akusukudelela orini i changing room i channeling ku Chiefs ama player former player can tell mhlamba nga testify nala khona which is a channeling maybe bazazi ukuthi we going to beat these guys not ngendlela embi ukuthi laba sobadla I mean we don't care whatever but we respect them, we respect these are players but we deserve to be here and individual we know your job. So ipoint lami lelo ukuthi into emshaya I think the strong character any talent, technique yambona uyafuna but kunento hold it back and that thing hold it back ile ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi yabe separator ama player.
That's the difference playing for any other team
Yeah, I
than
understand.
Chiefs.
Yeah.
Let's wrap it up then. Because of time, I want us to focus on any players that you think Chiefs should go for. Although, of course, Siyayibona Chiefs, I think Chiefs fans have to be fair as well. Nakubahlazi and to yourselves as well. We can see that your club is not aguna a transfer window where but 100 million and they buy everyone. Like for the past 5 years, Shem, like 7 years we've been watching them. There's no transfer window where Chiefs is like, this is it. We are going for everyone. Which players then? Because for now it's still like a mediocre transfer window for them. We haven't seen superstars. Which players do you think you could sign if you are Chiefs, technical director, management? Which players, 2 players maybe that you could sign or 3 players that you could sign?
Kuleko don't feel ashamed to say lento ikhulumile. Ayikho into wrong with lento ikhulumile. I mean I played there, yabona.
Yeah.
And unga feel ashamed my brother. Akuliwa phela la. We've been realistic.
Yeah.
Unfortunately unga feel ashamed. Mina I will be honest because
Yeah, I know the team is not signing players.
I mean kunento ikhulumile manje. Which transfer ever kule past 5 6
Yeah,
years
6 7 years.
whereby they spend money for quality players, buying players that
And
they are-
Babahlangan Sababa 7 or 8 players.
Quality.
Ukuthi we are going for it. This year, this is our year.
and then it's la nathi sisho sithi siyabaniki benefit of the doubt and then baslet it down.
Yeah.
So that's why ngithi don't feel ashamed. So ikuphendula nje it's very difficult. I know Vetboy mina for me always ngiyazi ukuthi Paris I just heard
Yes.
even from players they see ama supporters they want to
Sure.
sort of a reference from Urili just Urili sekas provile you can't say we are compare but it's similar type of player.
Sure.
They can bring that boy but uzoba ne pressure especially as a youngster I never played for Betway Premiership umfana namanje uyambona usagraduate under 17 national team under 20 usagraduate the boy is talented but the pressure Chiefs ezomfakela yona because of the surrounding other players izomshaya yabo but mina I love the Chiefs to sign that boy mina nkuleke enye into bengajabulela even this boy Phili ngizwe kancane
Yeah,
iRoma
Upili, talented, Upili.
too much.
Yeah, he's talented. Yeah.
Too much.
He's talented.
Yes, Stellenbosch.
Yeah, he's
Once
talented.
kakhulu. Then they're doing it dangerous
He's
kakhulu.
talented. And he may go to Stellenbosch.
Yeah, dangerous. A youngster 20 years. I mean, we talk about the player that is 20 years, but
Ulanga
talented,
Lisepile,
exclusive as well.
That's a good shout.
Very dynamic. Yabo. So, bengibheka ukuthi lamfana lo gonna bring. And uRicardo goes ukuthi Sundowns ngiyazi mina bengibheka ukuthi Chiefs izobreak account. Ngiyazi ukuthi Sundowns can't sell players to ngoba player
A direct
Sundowns went
opponent,
there. Yeah, but break the account. So unfortunate job asikhuluma ama player that are quality banama contract.
If you have to choose between Umabasa and Shalulile,
Yeah.
because they are free now,
Yeah.
which one would you go for Chiefs?
Mina bengiseza lapho Mabasa mina was gonna sign. The understanding, the club ngendlela idlala ngayo need a striker that is sharp, dynamic, who understand the basic of football, who can receive, zenzele space, Mabasa can do that. Nomchita lo unfortunate fit. Yabona that guy fit for me. It's a pity ukuthi ufike Pirates winner everything. Yabo kubuhambile then Pirates yadliwa msho ngabe khuluma ngayo. But you want to stand and poach and show ukuthi uba still yabo breaking inhliziyo zama Sundowns supporter and scoring week in and week out sometimes lapha yana manga check Stellenbosch I depth bebanayo kule season le expedile benga Stellenbosch lesiyazi so mina ubring Mabasa ngiyazishadile niyamncanywa
If you have to take one striker.
yeah ngamthatha mina Mabasa I mean bengiyada mina yes vet boy just ethi umfana ngiyazoba ne
I mean, even Nabonda, njengoba kuphela contract with Stellenbosch, there's nothing. I know Uti Sundowns is speaking to him, and maybe they're going to announce him this weekend, maybe.
Yeah.
But even there's nothing that stops Chiefs from signing Abonda players like that.
Pues lamdara mfethu unda mfethu bengisaza la mina will sign unda mfethu ngivala amehlo bengengithatha isikhathi eside I bring da yabona bengamelanga izifike la yabona now Sundowns manje izwile kancane bamthipile ukuthi endod sizokunika so iChiefs
Yeah,
izovela
Sundowns will pay more, definitely.
come and wear the jersey it will be a match of abanye bakuthembisa brown envelope and power abanye bakuthi uthi endod yalazi brand jersey
Sure.
ithina sinje so it depends ukuthi nikhuluma kanjani so only mindset yakho already and I want to win Champions League between Premiership real Sundowns they compete each and every trophy it doesn't mean bazoyiwina yonke but they want to compete so mina iChiefs bengizomsign unda bengizomsign Mabasa vet boy bengizomletha umfana
Langelihle Pili.
elanga lihle phile even Siphombule
Oh, yeah, that would be actually a formidable team.
Siphombule mfethu I know he left
There's already signed.
and a
now.
compliment to Mike Makap ngiyazi washala ama move I know it's him who brought him there ngeke ngasipana no Mike mina we wangise rep 2008 Mike Makap my relationship around the world I think uye wasebenza kule move le ngoba nami uRisipho bese ngiconfused after leaving Pirates bengithi shayile I'll be honest to you based on the history eske sayibona ama player phuma la but now kumtholela le uSipho mele ethathe mina bengamdonsa mfethu before azovaya bengizomhlalisala kunjani sigawane yena nathi la ku Pirates bekunama expectation awenzanga
Yeah, and is in a position where he can only sign 12 months now.
ngisho kanjani
Bazovele bamnikeze 12 months, unfortunately.
and nenye into you're not going to tell us how much you want this is what you want to give you Sipho italent asikudoubt more fit dedicated you are one of the best ngakweL Cup kumele ngabe isisile bafana if you was playing regular but now into nami ngiyibonile ngoSipho mangisuspect angisho ukuthi ngizwile thanks to Pirates mangabe beyenzeka behind the scene ukuthi bangabi official bayikhiphe like headline whatever ukuthi Sipho wanto I think the fitness was not fit enough khona into nje uSipho I don't think he was pushing enough because before World Cup I think did very well first 6 months so Chiefs bekumele impringe mfethu I mean the player lawo sobalayo I'm sure they will be different
Yeah, let's just go through them again. Ulangelihle Pili, Emil Vidboy, Olisa Nda, Sipho Mbule. I'm not sure if I'm forgetting anyone else.
Yeah.
But that's a formidable
And
team.
Gos-
Mabasa,
Mabasa.
no Ricardo Gos as well. That's already you become a top 2, top 3 competitor.
ngisho kanjalo
Yeah, Kupula, even like with Confederations Cup, maybe you can go to semifinals.
also ngihlale ngikhuluma ngedevelopment if iPirates ikhipha bombokazi mfethu very important ukushaya i-development uku-restructure while signing these players ngeni buy forever
Yeah.
restructuring yenze malini iPirates ngonkotha alomfana umfukile
Mbogazi.
and Mbokazi
I think total is over 100 million.
you understand
Total.
Pirates never spend too much but yenze malini
Yeah.
we're talking about players that they were in the World Cup
Yeah.
and lo munye ulimele bekumele ngabuda proper scouting
Kusho
proper
ukuthi
development.
le mali le Paris yenza, that's a good point. Bangakwazi noku-afford abo Brian Leon manje.
Ma-
100 million, you can buy one Brian Leon.
they can do
Yeah, because now they've made enough money. It's not that they want to do that, but ibafaka kwithuba lokuthi bangathenga uBrian Leon oyi-1.
compliment abachita laba be-Pirates scouting mfethu and to nature that talent not Jose Rivero ngimshayela izandla even this word for believing in kule ntwana you bring a coach yiko ngithi mawubringa i-coach mele i-development i-coach basebenzisane hand in hand develop players scouting sabo I mean zikhona intwana ezigrand mfethu mina ziningi intwana ezitalented engizibonile just let ezinye ziseyigangeni mangithi egangeni kunamanye ama-province abantu bangayi but there's talent kuleko nginokuthora ngibone ngisho ukuthi mabangayinature balungisele talent thola abantu abanjengabo Faruq or ithola abantu bona boSuresh abobanibani abo-Floyd Mogale le ntwana bangayilungisa aboSembatha athola ukuthi ibe kwenye level. That's my thinking ngoba ngeke ubhaye forever njengoba ngisho Black Pirates lenze malini. So iChiefs into ekumele ilungise nayo enye into going forward noma ngabasign development yabo.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. We spoke Kaizer Chiefs the whole video. That was the intention for today. Myself and the Soul guys, we spoke Orlando Pirates the whole video about what will they achieve, who can they sign more, and so on. We hope you enjoyed this. We want you to engage as well. What do you think? Is this the year? I don't think it will be, though, because if you look at the signings, it can't be the year unless something happens to Pirates and Sundowns in terms of underperforming. In terms of the signings themselves, it's not enough unless in the next 2 weeks they sign more. But when will they sign more? Because they're going to Spain. So which of those players will they sign? Those players will they miss that preseason in Spain? But that's Kaizer Chiefs and their signing and potential signings suggested by Junior Kanye. Let us know what you think. It is Ketiv, it is Times. We're also betting. Thank you for watching us.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.